Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get my direct deposit form from Chase. First, open the Chase website on your computer or open the Chase mobile app on your phone. Sign in to your account using your username and password. After signing in, look at your list of accounts. Select the checking or savings account where you want your direct deposits to go. This is important because the form will use the details from the account you choose. Once you open the account, look for an option called Account Services. On the mobile app, you may need to scroll up or down to see it. Tap or click on Account Services. In the list of options, find and select Set Up Direct Deposit Form. This will open your direct deposit form. The form will already be filled in with your name, your Chase routing number, and your account number. This helps make sure the information is correct and easy to share. Now you can choose what to do with the form. You can download it as a PDF file, print it out, or email it directly to your employer's human resources or payroll department. Pick the option that works best for you. Once your employer receives the form, they can set up direct deposit for your pay. Thanks for watching.